Gilliard. I got so much more.
Are ya ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Fucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know
Your PC is turned off suddenly, and when you turn on again, but power supply is not turned on. Nah, I can help you to fix the problem. Watch this video until the end, then you can overcome the problems. First, prepare the first tool needed: screwdriver, paper clip, and just in case, prepare a new power supply if the old power supply cannot be repaired again. First step is shut down and unplug your computer. If you haven't already done, you will need to turn off your computer and completely remove it from power. Use the switch on position and remove the AC power cord. Step 2. Open your computer case. Unplug all the cable from the power supply. Disconnect the power supply cable from all the components inside. Follow each cable from the power supply to the component to make sure that everything is completely unplugged.
Step 3. Make a paperclip tester. You can use paperclip think it that has been switched on. To do this, strengthen a paperclip and then bend into a U-shape. This paperclip will act as the pin that are inserted into the power supply to give the power on signal. Step 4. Find the 20 or 24 pin connector that's normally attached to your computer motherboard. It is typically the largest connector to power supply.
Okay, step number 5. Find the green pin and black pin, or make specific. You will be inserting the ends of the paperclip into the green pin, or only one, and a neck boring black pin. This is make specific. For example, a Corsair PSU requires you to sort pin 16 and 17 while an ATX power supply requires you to use pins 15 and 16. Before do this, double check to make sure that the power supply is completely disconnected from any outlet, that it is switching off, and that it is not connected to any computer component. Failing to do so means that you are sticking a metal paperclip into a live power supply that has electricity running through it. You can shock yourself and cause physical harm as well as damage your computer. Place the cable somewhere where it won't be disturbed.
Second step. Plug the power supply picture into the outlet and turn on the power switch. The seventh step. Plug the power supply picture into the outlet and turn on the power switch. As long as your paper clip stays in place, the power will not stop the device. And the next step, check the fan. Once the power supply is receiving power, you should be able to hear and see a fan moving. This will let you know that the power supply is less working. If your power supply do not on to on all, double check your pins and try again. If it still do not turn on, then it's more like
The conclusion of this video: if you find a PC that totally died and won't turn on again, you must first check the PSU. If the PSU is correct, then it must be another hardware that going down. Then you have to find it and replace it with a new one. If the old one cannot be fixed anymore. If the old PSU is not worth to use anymore, we have to replace it with a new PSU, or it will not turn on again.